sa'yo ibibigay. We're going to Honda Bay. So today we're going to do another part of your adventure in Puerto Princesa. Of course, the Honda Bay Island Hopping Tour. So from here, it will just take about 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes to get there at Honda Bay Wharf. You know, Honda Bay came from Spanish word Hundo Agua. It means deep water. Ayan. Pero po yung characteristic ng Honda Bay kasi is more on sandbars, nice beach fronts, and then drop off. It is located on the northeast part of the city of Puerto Princesa. That's along Sulusi. Kasi Honda, so from Hundo Agua or deep water. But later on, it became Honda, and now the official name is Honda Bay.
Sa bago siyang Honda Bay, nag-stop muna kami dito para mag-rent ng mga gagamitin mo sa snorkeling. Andito na kami sa port para sa Honda Bay Tour. Pala yung van namin na sinakyan. Oh, this is container pa, ha? This one.
Soft cup.
Yung boat na sasakyan namin papunta sa Honda Bay Tour. Sila yung kasama namin sa group kasi joiners po kami sa tour na to. Excited.
Independent.
Okay.
So, pusit tayo ng ano. Dami na ba sa pambato?
How young are you,
Pambato
Sorry.
I'm 58. Look 65. Sabay ka na.
Si Sir, you don't
Siya
look
85 si Sir Majid. May pang ponytail siya niya.
Magpa-business lang ako doon. Balikan na lang kayo. Dito lang mamaya. Oo, nagkaroon lang. Marami ko gamit yung mga rilo.
Darling, you enjoy the snorkeling? Huh? What is that? Another island, huh? Yeah, very nearby. Ito na yung Luli Island. Tinawag siyang Luli kasi lulubog lilitaw daw yung island. May sandbar. Pero pag high tide siya, hanggang tuhod lang din daw yung tubig dito. Ang ganda niya island. Luli Island, Lulubog, Lilitaw Island.
Daddy, I can dance underwater.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Daddy, look at me. Underwater.
Ito yung Boodle Fight namin dito sa sa island. Ito yung last stop namin.
Buksan mo. Sabay ganun. Okay, ma'am.
Sige pa. Dito kami nagtagal. Dito na rin kami Boodle Fight sa Cowrie Island ng Puerto Princesa. At ito yung group namin. Yan.